Today we will be celebrating the life of Sonia Sotomayor. Her quote is, "I don't measure myself by others' expectations or let others define my worth." It's a really good quote. We'll skip there. Here we go. Sonia's early life. Sonia was born in New York City in 1954. Sonia's family came from Puerto Rico and she grew up speaking Spanish. Her mother was a nurse and her father worked in a factory. When Sonia was a child, her father passed away. Sonia's mother was left alone. Sonia's mother worked hard to feed and educate her children. Her mother believed that Sonia must get an education to have a better life. Her mother forced Sonia to learn English and study hard in school. Life as a lawyer. Sonia's mother wanted her to do well in school, and because of this, Sonia went to one of the best colleges in the country. Sonia attended Yale Law School and learned how to become a lawyer. After she graduated, she worked in New York City. Sonia was a prosecutor, which means that she tried to prove that a person was guilty. She was good at her job. She was so good at her job that she actually became a judge. As a judge, she was in control of the courtroom. During this time, she volunteered for school groups to help other girls get a better education. Her greatest accomplishment. In 2009, President Obama gave Sonia a big honor. He named her a Supreme Court Justice. The Supreme Court is the most powerful court in the U.S. They decide whether laws are fair or not. Sonia was the first Hispanic Supreme Court judge. She is also only the third female Supreme Court judge. Now, Justice Sonia decides whether the laws of our land are fair. She understands what life is like for children who grow up poor. She can now influence laws to help people. Did you guys catch that typo? Why we remember her story. Sonia's story shows us that you can do anything you put your mind to. She worked hard and got a good education. She is an example that women can be lawyers and judges. For a long time, only men held these jobs. Before her, there were not many Hispanic people working in the government, but she has inspired men and women to dream big. Her story shows us anything is possible if you're willing to work for it. Let's click here to look at Sonia on Sesame Street. I know you guys love Sesame Street. And actually, JK, before we do that, I'm going to end this video so my lovely picture here can be out of your way.